Okay, we're gonna go around the corner of this building. Let me just kind of show you where we are. It's kind of roundabout here, main road over there, and we're gonna be going around that. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so let's go around this little thing right here, and we're gonna go down the street, down this little alley, and here's kind of where we're at right now. This is part of Taipa Central. You can see by all the tall buildings everywhere. And we're just gonna get down this little alley in a second. We got this some stores down here, and we're kind of going in a little circle, so we kind of did a little bit of a circular thing. And this would go all the way down to Taipa Village. It's called Fernão Mendes Pinto. You can see the sign right there. I've always liked these buildings right there. So we're gonna head on down. We got a cup of coffee here. I think cup of coffee is pretty popular these days. I think they got some events there. A lot of foreigners, I saw them in the window as well. Okay, let's see. Gonna head on down. Spicy Addict. This is pretty busy late at night, it seems like. A couple places, but late at night. Here's a Portuguese one. Sorry. Spicy. That's a spicy one. Japanese one. Nice little front. Okay, so we're gonna keep on heading on down. Battery died. Got another battery though, so that's all right. I think this used to be where a little kiosk used to be for police, I think, when they used to. I'm not really sure. I think I read something like that, but I'm not 100% sure on the story of that. This one is a little coffee shop, burger shop place. Never been in it before, but coffee, burger, coffee, and art, as you can see right there. Patio Cafe. Has a nice little area inside. Looks pretty cool, actually. Got this little courtyard here. Little place to play mahjong or go. And you got a little fireworks cracker factory over there. Nice temple. Got all these Chinese characters here. That's where we're coming from. There's a bus coming up in a second. Here's something coming. There's another. There's a bus. Yeah, there's a bus. There goes the bus. Pretty narrow lane for cars and buses, but it is what it is. There's our street name over there. And then we have this whole thing over here. This goes into a nice little, it goes all the way up towards, there's a type of museum houses. Let's just see here. So we're right about in this area. So there's a kind of a big lake, overlooks Cotai. It's right over there. So yeah, pretty nice little street. I looked up the name of the street and the person who it's named after. Mendes, I guess he used to write stories, travel stories back in late 1500s, early 1600s. I think it was 1611, I think I remember, if I remember right. He had a book published about his travels. People say that's quite exaggerated, but that's kind of cool. So when they clean up, they got stuff like that. But yeah, that's the name of the street. So we'll film the name of the street once we get up here. Kind of in a nice bright spot here. So I think this is a fireworks factory. And here's the name of the street. So this is the guy, Fernão Mendes Pinto, who is kind of well known as a storyteller. I mean, fabricating his stories. Let's just see here. Kind of want to go over there, but we have to wait until this one goes by. I guess that turn is kind of sharp. So that's the end of the street right there. So that's it. And that's our street. And then this one, we're gonna keep going, of course, but this turns into a different street. So I guess that bus kind of slowed down right when the streets turned. I guess that corner marks the edge of it. So anyways, we'll end right there. Chiquinha,